Good morning, children. Yesterday we have read about the factor and multiple. Now, today we are going to read about the common multiple. We have discussed earlier that what is multiple? Multiple are those number multiple are those number which can be divided by a given number. And factor, what is factor? Factor are those number which divides the given number. इसका मतलब हुआ कि एक नंबर है, मान लीजिए 24 एक नंबर है। यह 1 से डिवाइड होगा, 2 से डिवाइड होगा, 3 से डिवाइड होगा, 4 से, फिर 6 से, 8 से, फिर 12 से, इतने नंबर से डिवाइड होगा। तो ये जो सारे नंबर हैं, ये सारे नंबर जो हैं ये हो जाएंगे फैक्टर। दीज आर द फैक्टर्स एंड 24 इज मल्टीपल। Understand this? Now come to the topic, which is common multiple. Common multiple means some are common multiple and some are common factor. Here is common multiple. You have to think a number if it is multiple of 3. Write it in red circle, and if it is a multiple of 5, write it in blue circle. Here are red circle and this is blue circle. You have to write the multiple of 3 in red circle and multiple of 5 in blue circle. Then start writing. Multiple of 3 is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27 एंड 30। इतना ही हम लिखते हैं। और मल्टीपल ऑफ 5 का अब लिखना शुरू करते हैं। मल्टीपल ऑफ 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 एंड 50। अब देखिए इसमें कह रहा है वेयर डू आई राइट 15? इट इज मल्टीपल ऑफ बोथ 3 एंड 5। यहाँ पे ये देखिए कि कुछ ऐसे नंबर हैं जो कि दोनों के मल्टीपल हैं। जैसे ये 15 इसमें भी है और इसमें भी है, दोनों में है। तो इस 15 को हम यहाँ लिख देते हैं। अब यही 15 जब दोनों में है, इसका मतलब दिस 15 इज कॉमन इन द मल्टीपल ऑफ 3 एंड 5 एंड दिस 15 इज known as common multiple. Here some numbers are multiple of both 3 and 5, so we can say that they are common to both 3 and 5. Think if you write the multiple common to 3 and 5 in a purple part, then will they still be in both the red and blue circle? Which is the smallest among these common multiple? This is 15. And you have to repeat the game using the number 2 and 7. You can do it. You can do it by writing this common multiple of 2 and 7. You can write 2 equals to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. And here is 7. 7 1 just 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63 and 70. Look carefully. Here is 14 and 14 and no anyone. So this 14 is common multiple. Common multiple is 14. You have to write this, and in your homework do the following. Write the common multiple of first 3 and 4, second 6 and 9, third 4 and 12, fourth 5 and 15, and fifth one is 3 and 6.